Alibaba Cloud believes in helping all businesses to do business easily, and we are located here in Malaysia to show our sincerity in assisting the local enterprises to sustain and accelerate their business. There are some brick-and-mortar companies who have also required our assistance to help them spearhead their intention and get their business ready for transformation. For those already in the internet company space, especially the e-space segment, we noticed that there is a surge of activities online and the new thirst of technology.
My name is Erwin. I'm the group CTO from POC, and throughout the past few years, we have been running well in terms of the attractions and in terms of the e-commerce platform. But we have been started to thinking 1 year ago, like in terms of how do we continue to innovate the technology as well as the platform. I'm not just considering scalability, I also need to consider the maintenance effort, and I also need to consider the security of the platform. And all these things, Ali Cloud can help us to handle easily.
Businesses of this industry are facing the challenges of scalability and high concurrency, and more often than not, the bottleneck of a system is at the database.
Previously, we are using a traditional ways. We have hosted physical servers in the data center. We need to have people that 24/7 to monitor, to manage, to maintain, not just the firewalls, but the infrastructure. A lot of maintenance was required.
As internet industry customers are facing scalability issues using traditional database, we have tools and expertise to help customers to migrate from traditional database into cloud-native database. Apart from that, the total cost of ownership and cost of operation of database are also common challenges for customers. Using Alibaba Cloud's cloud-native database can help customers to lower cost of ownership with higher cost-performance ratio. Because our database experts from Alibaba Group have plenty of experience doing this for our own business. On the other hand, our database experts do also provide services to help customers to optimize their database performance.
We choose their PolarDB, and within a short period of time, I think probably about less than 3 months, that we have successfully migrated our existing database to PolarDB. 3 months time is very short in terms of the large scale, in terms of the complexity of our system architecture. And within these 3 months, I'm not just saying that the solution works perfectly. I'm saying that both teams are committed. The successful of the migration does not just rely on the solution itself. It's actually rely on the team effort, that whether do they have the expertise to plan together with us based on the complexity and based on the scenarios that we have. Are they able to come back to us and sit down with us to plan how do we complete the whole entire thing within the time frame? How do we split? How do we do the data synchronization? How do we make sure the data still maintain consistency, to maintain the high availability and reduce the downtime? I would say the most important thing is both teams are committed and capable enough to plan it out together and to implement the solution successfully.
The good news is our customers can leverage on the same proven cutting-edge cloud-native database, which is PolarDB and AnalyticDB, which we are using for our own Double 11 event. Customers can leverage on our technology and expertise to cater for their growing business.
We try to create the ecosystem that to enrich the people's life. So in Presto, we have a motto that is faster, richer, and cooler. So how do we provide all these services to them is our day-to-day brainstorming and a challenge.
Alibaba, as one of the largest internet company in the world, right now 100% of Alibaba Group's core businesses are running on Alibaba Cloud. We are committed to bring our years of experience and best practices to support the growth of internet companies, especially e-commerce companies in Malaysia.